Hello guys, my name is Soji and you are welcome to Soji Forex. In this video, I want to share with you beginner's ultimate guide to technical analysis. As a beginner, perhaps you are having challenge on how to trade using your technical analysis tool. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to do your technical analysis, the best time frame to use, and how you can find your entry. Now when you open your chart, it will look like this and you don't need to struggle with how to mark up your chart, because looking at this, all you need to do is for you to find your point A and point B. So at this my chart, I can say I have a point A here and I have point B at this zone. So what do I need to do? All I need to do is for me to pick up my trend line. I'll pick up my trend line and I will connect my point A and my point B. You must know that the point you are connecting should be a visible point, because you are not the only one trading and you want to be connecting those points at a level where every other trader can easily see. So this is our point A and this is our point B. Regardless of how you are seeing it, the market is in a downtrend. This is our lower high and our lower high. And so we are now on this move to the downside. So having connected your downtrend such as this, the next thing you will do, now we have our downtrend being connected. So once you've connected your downtrend, what is the next thing you need to do? You need to now move down to your 15-minute time frame. So I'll move to my 15-minute time frame, and this is exactly what I will be doing on my 15-minute time frame. So this is the point where we connect. Here is where we connect our trend line. So if you come to the 15 minutes, you will be seeing the chart in this form. So already you don't have an entry here and you don't have an entry here, because you need these 2 points, your point A and your point B, for you to connect your trend line. So what next? The next thing is price move from this zone and pulled to this downside, and then immediately price pulled here to some extent, you begin to see price coming back to the upside. So what you need to do, you pick up your trend line and mark the movement of this price to the upside. So you draw a trend line for the movement of this price to the upside. This is a downtrend, so the most important point for us, price is going up now, which looks more like a reversal. So you mark this downside, and what do we want to see? We want to see this price pull back here and then give us an entry for us to sell. So what we do basically is, now price has pulled back, so I'll be waiting for price to break this particular trend line that I just drew now. And this is what happened. Price came all the way, close and break my trend line, and I will go in for my sell, and my stop loss is here. Price break it, the candle close below it, this is my entry and this is my stop loss. And immediately that begins to happen, I will pick another of my trend line and I will mark from that top exactly this way, and it came to the downside. So I won't go to my 1 hour time frame, I will remain on this 15-minute time frame. So price came to the downside. What next immediately price begin to pull back and it closes above this my trend line. Price pull back and it break this my trend line, I will close my trade. And if I want to use that method, my take profit is somewhere here. So once it goes below this previous move, I will take profit. And now we have another move that is going to happen. And immediately a pullback begin to happen again, I will still draw my trend line. I have my trend line drawn, and in this way, what I want to do, price will break through it, and I will have my entry here. Closes it, retest it. This is my entry to the downside. And immediately price begin to go down, I can choose to pick my trend line again and mark this move. And now another entry is happening. All I need to do, I will mark this and price break through it, give me a retest, candle close again. This is a candlestick continuation pattern, a retest and a continuation. I will go in and I will continue to the downside, and immediately price begin to come down, I will pick my trend line and mark this. So I will come down, and this is how I will continue until price closes above this my trend line. Otherwise, I'll keep trading it this way. And once price close outside of this, I have my entry. Now this is what I will do. And look at this one. When price is going up, I marked price is going up now. I mark this particular zone. And as you can see now, price came and close above it. Remember, what I was trading is not just the trend line. The trend line is on a higher time frame, and I'm doing this on my lower time frame, finding my entry in line with the direction of the trend. So even though this happening here, this particular scenario, so even though I am having a bearish engulfing candle inside that cycle, I am not making an entry, because this enough has not confirmed for me that I should take an entry. This will have to close below this my trend line before I will sell. So what I'm referring to is, I want to see this price that has come up here come all the way down. Once the candle closes below this my trend line, that is when I will sell. And so now price has break this zone. So I will now move back, which is now indicating to me that there is a break of trend, and I will now go back to my 1 hour time frame. Right? So what I want to see now, already I have my point A. Okay, here now is my point A. So I want to see this price come back. If this price can retest this trend line, I want to see something like this. And immediately something like this happen, I will connect a new trend line. Connect this trend line, I will go now to my 50-minute time frame and begin to do the same thing the way I sell to this downside. Repeat the same pattern and continue with my buy. Very simple and straightforward. So this is how I will do my technical analysis, and I will follow it to the core repeatedly. You can see in this scenario, this is a scenario of an uptrend. So all I need to do, I will connect my trend line, and having connect my trend line to my 2 points A and B, which is this is point A, this is my point A, and this is my point B. So I will just move straight forward to my 15-minute time frame. So this is my 15-minute time frame, and this is my point that I've connected. So all I need to do, I'll pick up my trend line and I'll mark this price coming down. So the price came all the way to this point, and when it breaks out of this, I will take my buy entry, and I will keep on repeating the same thing over and over again. And I believe you have learned something new from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when we publish our next video. See you in our subsequent video.